dummy surgery. Don't stare at me like that. Okay, so here's Kitty, and here's Charlie without his head. But where's Charlie's head? It's over there. Sleeping with the kitty. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to wake you up. I didn't either. Shut up. Our friend Miss Morton also painted his head.
Yeah, she took a marker and painted his head for him. And
wow. Bite me.
Okay, so let's show him what's inside the head. That says what it looks like now.
Rubber band.
My dad is so freaking funny.
Springy. Springy, baby. Springy.
Hey, can I try them?
No. Zip tie. Okay, just one on it.
That's awesome.
those are courtesy of Sue.
Here's the
See if I
head.
can. Okay, now.
And here's his headless body.
Take that jacket off of him.
Okay, I'm sorry. He's about to get no clue on.
Okay.
Don't forget to put a shirt on. I'm sorry.
And this is my mom. He will help me go get that rubber band.
Rubber band.